So the time has come to make my second commercial for Sledge Scarves. This commercial is going to be for Instagram, YouTube, and maybe Facebook. But I have to see because my Facebook page is like, it has like 5 posts on it and it's not active. So I don't know, I have to think about that later. But anyways, it's production day. So I'm going to get everything ready. I already wrote out my script. So this is how this commercial is going to go. Basically, I'm using my bowling ball. My arm is tired, hold on. So basically, I'm going to use my bowling ball technique with my scarf because I want it to be very shocking in the commercial that makes people be like, God dang, how is that scarf holding up a bowling ball? So it's something that I use when I did my vending event and it worked really good. It brought a lot of people to my table because they were just curious like, how the F is this scarf holding up this 15-pound bowling ball? Because my ish is legit, that's why. How the commercial is going to go is, I say, how can you tell that your headscarf is the best? The bowling ball test. Sledge Scarf passes the bowling ball test. Those other scarves can't even compete. But why the bowling ball? Well, if a scarf can hold the weight of a 15-pound bowling ball, then that scarf will be able to withstand any kinds of tossing, turning, pulling force that happens when you sleep, causing ordinary scarves to fall off, leaving you with a rat's nest of a mess in the morning. So forget those ordinary scarves. Slay in your sleep with a Sledge Scarf. Boop. So that is the idea. I'm probably going to mix it up and do a little remix on it while I'm recording. I usually kind of go off script a little bit. At least that's what I did in my last commercial. But that is the framework of it. So I'm going to get to recording. And this is actually a commercial that I can do all by my little old self because I don't have anybody here to help me record. And my friends are busy today. So I got to do what I can do when I can do it by my god darn self. So that's what we're doing today. So I've already got myself all fresh. I'm dressed, my makeup is done, my hair is did. I want to make sure that I'm feeling extra positive, motivated, because I need to have a lot of energy for this commercial because nobody wants to watch a boring commercial when somebody is just sitting here talking like this and do you want to buy my product? No, nobody wants to watch that. That's not catching anybody's attention. So we about to be Happy Peach on 10 today. So that's what we're going to do. I'll try my best to keep you guys through the entire sequence of everything. So we're going to get it. Are you ready? 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 You ready? We all ready. Let's get to it. All right, everybody. I need quiet on the set. Quiet. Quiet. On the set. I dare you. I dare you. I guess I like that last one. Next line. So I'm twisting my scarf up because I want to show in the commercial that you can wear the scarf multiple ways. I don't want people to think that, oh snap. I don't want people to think that they can't wear the scarf tied up or that it has to be hanging because it doesn't. You can wear it however you want. You can wear it up, you can wear it down, whatever the case. So I just want to make sure that I'm showing that in the commercial. Personally, this is my favorite one because it just looks so cute. It looks like a little baby bum. Oh, it's so cute. All right, next. What's my line? Okay. With the bowling ball test. So tell me, do you think your headscarf is the best? It's probably too high. Let me lower it just a little bit. All right. I should probably do like front, back, angles. Let me just see. Maybe I should do like different color scarves, but anyway, I got time for all that because I don't have, and my scarf is all raggedy because it's been used for 5 years. We'll prove it. Oh, I said quiet on the set. Rude. Want to know how you can tell if your headscarf is the best? I mean, a little more energy. A little more. Wait. Alright, so I think I'm good with filming the first part of the video. But now I need to figure out how I want to demonstrate how I'm going to pick the bowling ball up with the scarf. Obviously, I'm going to put the scarf around the bowling ball, but I want to figure out what would be a good angle for the camera. Should I do it on the table? Should I just do it on the carpet? I think I'm going to, now that I think about it, you know, toilet paper commercials? And those kind of commercials, they always go to a table, very up close. So maybe I'll try to do something like that. Let me think about this for a second. All right, let's do, where my scarf at? Let's do this one more again. And cut. That's a wrap. Alright, it's not a wrap 100%. I still have to do the voiceover part, but as far as me recording everything, I'm done. That literally took me like 1 hour, y'all. So if you're trying to make a commercial, you can do it too, because this was very easy. All I did was sit down, think about what I want to do, and just get it done. So I'm gonna go record the voiceover parts, edit it a little bit, add some sound effects. Yeah, so now the harder part comes in, because filming it was easy peasy, puggy peasy. Alright, so production is done, filming is done, and the commercial is done. Woo, that editing took me probably, I don't even know, maybe 2-3 hours to do. Editing always takes longer than filming. So it's all done. Click that if you want to watch the video. It is going to be live by the time you guys see this video. So if you saw it, let me know. But yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Let me know what you think. If you need any help creating your commercial, give me a holla. Instagram, email. As I was saying, if you guys need any help, any tips, any advice on how to create a commercial or even how to get started, feel free to let me know. You can DM me and my Instagram. You can email me, sledgescarves@gmail.com, or you can just leave me a comment below. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.